Hi, good day. Nice to see you again. This is the continuation regarding the trouble of conventional fire alarm system. We will replace the faulty smoke sensor. Unfortunately, we have no the same type, but we have new type and it's different. But it's not a problem. We will just do wiring modifications and just make sure wires should not be interchanged. Now we will start to replace the sensor. Now as you can see, the old sensor have 3 terminals, while the new one have only 2. Now we will just follow this wiring diagram. Sensor base is installed, and now we will try to test the smoke sensor, and now it's working normally again.